Hello, welcome to an unscheduled session with OCD. So, just finished doing my son's car. My neighbour pulled up and I looked across and his wheels were so dirty, I just felt itchy. I can't, that's awful. So I went next door, I said, look, I'm ever so sorry, but I've got to clean your wheels. So they are absolutely filthy. So I thought I'd do a quick video on cleaning these wheels. It's a long time since I've seen wheels this dirty, so like I said, not a scheduled one, but he says, oh, thanks very much. I said, I'm not doing it for you, I'm doing it for me. So let's cut the chat, let's clean these wheels. So there we go. Now, it's been a long time, like I said, long time since I've seen wheels this dirty, and no, I'm sorry, I'm all itchy. So let's get stuck in, shall we? Right, let's go. Oh, look at that. That's horrible. There, that's better. I feel better now. There we go. You live next door to a strange next door neighbour like me, you get your wheels cleaned. He thinks I'm mad, he's probably right, but I feel so much better. I hate seeing dirty wheels. So there we are, very quick video, just me being mad. So that was a bit of fallout remover and garage therapy, one wheel shampoo. Brought them up spick and span. So I think I'll go and take a bit more medication now and I'll be fine. So until next time, from OCD, you guys take care. Bye bye.